The yellow stains on the toilet seat will disappear within minutes. The toilet will be white again without using harmful detergents. Do you have such stains on the underside of the seat? Many people struggle to remove them. They form due to the deposition of urine and water droplets during flushing. Urine stains the seat, and the limescale formed by the water can initially be invisible, then gradually take on a slightly yellowish color. If you clean the toilet and seat with strong detergents, its surface may be damaged and more susceptible to various stains. But there's a trick to it. Just make a homemade paste. The stains and discolorations will vanish. The toilet will be white again. This method saves me in such situations. I don't have to replace the seat with a new one yet. Take baking soda and pour it into a container. Add some hydrogen peroxide to it, just enough to create a paste. Mix it. It's best to use an old toothbrush for this. It's perfect for applying this substance to stains. The baking soda and hydrogen peroxide paste should be thick enough to stick to the stains. Leave it on the toilet for about 10 minutes. During this time, the baking soda and hydrogen peroxide will dissolve the stains. Then just remove everything, wipe it with paper, and you're done. The toilet seat has hidden buttons. Thanks to them, you'll get rid of contaminants and those yellow urine stains. When you're tidying up the bathroom, cleaning the toilet seat is always problematic. Dirt accumulates not only on the seat itself, but also underneath it. In the area where the seat is attached to the toilet. Here, you can also see yellow stains, and this is a hard-to-reach area. You'll soon learn how to clean such a seat. The stains will disappear. Everything will be clean and disinfected. Cleaning the seat from time to time is easier under the shower or in the bathtub. Then you can easily clean it. You can even scrub the nooks and crannies underneath the seat. If we remove the seat, we can also clean the place where it attaches to the toilet. It's impossible to do this on a daily basis. Only after removing the seat will you notice how much dirt there is here. And if you also remove those metal covers, you'll be even more horrified. But how to remove a toilet seat? It turns out that every seat has buttons that allow you to do this. Depending on the type of toilet, these can be 2 separate buttons like here. Each one at a different attachment point. Sometimes it can be 1 button in the middle. See how easy it is to remove the seat when you press them. Now all you have to do is take it under the shower or into the bathtub. Dissolve a Corega tabs capsule in a bottle of water. It's the best product for cleaning yellow stains on the toilet seat. Corega tabs destroy bacteria, whiten, and remove discoloration. This is all your toilet seat needs. With this spray, you'll also clean the place where the seat attaches to the toilet. Just spray it and everything comes off. The toilet will shine. The yellow stains and dirt will disappear in a few minutes, and you'll enjoy a clean toilet. The unpleasant odor coming from your toilet bowl will disappear immediately. You'll finally get rid of the smell from the drains once and for all. Here's what you need to do. Add a tablespoon of sugar to a bowl. Pour in warm, but not hot, water. Then take about half a block of fresh yeast, crumble it, and add it to the sugar water. Mix everything thoroughly. The yeast will dissolve, forming a milky mixture. This means the yeast is reacting with the sugar and is ready to use. Pour the mixture into the toilet bowl and leave it overnight, or at least for a few hours. Unlike chemical cleaning agents that may temporarily mask odors or damage pipes, yeast is a natural and safe solution. It works without harmful chemicals, supporting natural decomposition processes to eliminate the bad smell. After the set time, clean the toilet with a brush and flush. Your toilet will be clean and fresh. If you have dried yeast at home, it works just as well as fresh yeast. Simply follow the same steps, using an entire packet of dried yeast. This mixture will also remove the unpleasant odor. If the smell returns, simply repeat the process and pour yeast into the toilet again. With this hotel trick, your toilet will stay perfectly clean for months. This simple method always helps me when I run out of store-bought cleaners. You only need products that most people already have at home, and you probably do too. Add 1 tablespoon of salt to a bowl. Salt helps remove buildup, supports cleaning, and acts as a natural cleaner. Then add 1 tablespoon of laundry powder. It effectively dissolves dirt, freshens, and neutralizes unpleasant odors. Also add vinegar. It's a proven ingredient that helps remove limescale and residue while leaving surfaces fresh. Pour in about 3 tablespoons and mix everything thoroughly until you get a ready solution. Pour most of it into the toilet bowl and scrub the inside well with a brush. Apply the remaining mixture to a sponge and clean the seat, the outer parts of the toilet, and other surfaces. As you can see, in just a few minutes, you can prepare an effective homemade cleaner. Thanks to it, your toilet will be perfectly clean, fresh, and shiny, like after professional cleaning, using only ingredients you already have at home. Professional cleaners have used this combination for years. Prepare 1 large onion with antibacterial and degreasing properties. Take a jar with a lid, place the onion inside, close it, and shake vigorously. The skins will come off on their own. Then transfer the onion to a bowl and blend it thoroughly until a smooth paste forms. The finer the consistency, the more effectively the active compounds will work. Add a generous amount of toothpaste, which helps remove buildup and gently brighten surfaces. Mix everything well until a thick paste forms. Bathroom tiles quickly become coated with limescale and soap residue, so it's useful to know how to clean tiles without harsh chemicals. Apply the mixture to a sponge and spread it evenly over the surface. This is a simple cleaner's trick for spotless tiles. Leave it for about 10 minutes so the natural ingredients can dissolve dirt and buildup. Then wipe the surface with a damp microfiber cloth. This effective home method restores a fresh look to tiles without scrubbing. Just use what you already have at home. No harsh chemicals needed. Instead of using it in the dishwasher, try it for cleaning. Dampen a cloth, attach it to a Swiffer, and your home will shine. This trick adds shine to cleaned surfaces, prevents buildup of dirt and water stains, and eliminates moisture issues on tiles. Thanks to this mixture, your home will feel fresh. Grab a regular cloth and a Swiffer mop. Prepare a bowl of lukewarm water. Add a bit of dishwasher rinse aid. Any standard one from the store will do. Soak the cloth in the solution, then wring it out well so it's damp, but not dripping. The cloth is now ready. Attach it to your mop and start cleaning the bathroom tiles, even the high ones near the ceiling that are hard to reach. It removes dust and adds a beautiful shine. Rinse the cloth as needed and move on to the next section. You can also clean kitchen tiles this way. They'll shine like new, and it doesn't stop there. This mixture also works wonders on smooth furniture. Use it to clean tall kitchen cabinet fronts or wardrobe doors. They'll look glossy, just like when they were brand new.